In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. This task may seem a bit daunting at first, but with clear instructions and a bit of guidance, you'll be able to manage it with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, navigate your way to the left panel. Here, you'll find a section labeled Transactions. Click on that to get started. Once you've done this, you'll see several options, but the one we need is Chart of Accounts. Selecting this takes you to an area where all your accounts are displayed, and it's the perfect place to manage your financial categories. Now, it's time to create a new account. Look for the option to add or create, then focus on setting up an account specifically for the owner's draw. Here, you need to define the type of account it will be, which is equity. The detail type should be narrowed down even further to owner's equity. This designation is crucial because it categorizes the draw correctly in your financial records. Once you've selected these options, click Save to solidify the changes. Congratulations, you've set the stage for entering the owner's draw properly. With this account now created, we're ready to record the actual owner's draw. Start by looking towards the top left and clicking on New. This opens up a menu of choices, but for our purposes, select Transfer. Think of it like moving funds from one pocket to another within your financial setup. Upon selecting Transfer, you'll notice a few fields that need attention. Here, you'll choose where the funds are coming from by using the drop-down menu. It's like specifying which pocket the money is currently in. Next, you'll specify that the newly created owner's equity account is the destination for this transfer. It's essential that you select this correctly to ensure everything lines up in your financial statements. Now, you simply need to enter the transfer amount. This amount reflects the owner's draw you wish to document. Once you've ensured all the details are correct, from the source of funds to the amount being transferred, your owner's draw is effectively recorded in QuickBooks Online. And there you have it. That's all it takes to enter an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. Each step complements the other, ensuring that you maintain accuracy and clarity in your financial records. By following these steps, you ensure that your books accurately reflect the equity movements within your business. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide provides the clarity you need to manage your finances effectively.